Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. As you roll in, don't be shy. Hit the like button. Don't be shy. Drop a donation to support the content also. Viewers and subscribers, the content is top-notch content. No fake thing me on when it comes to my channel. So drop in and support the content. One family me say peace and unity me represent. So don't pull up on the channel and think you can disrespect. The hand is always on the trigger, ready to go. Viewers and subscribers, the intro is not done. One Fabian, never two. But wait, when you talk about one Fabian, you have to include one Fabian Electrical Services. And never two. You put the two together, you get one master electrician, one of a kind. Will also put my brains to the test every single time me on the job. Put the three together, you get one electrical boss in the streets who come to represent and put knowledge and awareness that comes with electrical. People, the intro is still running. In life you have to believe in the Almighty God Himself. If you fail once, get back up and keep going again. That's what I have done in my 20 years in this field. People, if you like my content and what I represent, like up the life and support the channel. Can't stop greatness. Only one that can stop it is you, yourself, who don't believe.
The real fans will love with for a long time.
I know. Yes.
Say no, I want to. We want to find an old spice.
Then sing for me. Ready?
Viewers and subscribers, you had the intro, now come the outro. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. You can also become a member of the channel by hitting the link. May I come to represent straight out of the Caribbean, born and raised, nothing fake on this channel. Positive vibes me say. The beaches is what me like. The great food is what keeps me healthy and looking. So hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, I wanted to run some videos, but StreamYard is sorry, I wanted to go through some stuff here, but StreamYard is giving some issues here. So I'm just going to touch back again on the agreements when it comes to agreements. Basically is consumer agreement. It's basically a consumer agreement that meets the criteria of more than one type of agreement to which this act applies shall comply with the provision of this act and of the regulation that applies to each type of agreement for which it meets the criteria, except where the application of the provision is excluded by the regulation. Disclosure of information. If a supplier or consumer, whatever it may be, is required to disclose information on this act, the disclosure must be clear, comprehensible, and prominent. And what that pretty much means is that when you're writing up an agreement, everything should be clearly written, your name, your information, whatever is in that agreement should be clearly written. That way, if you do have to go back to that agreement, there's no confusion or misunderstanding with the agreement. It's clearly stated inside of the agreement. So it says consumer rights and warranties. Nothing in this act shall be interpreted to limit any right of remedy that a consumer may have in law. So I'm going to settlement of or decision. A settlement or decision that results from the procedure agreed to under Section 3 is a binding on the parties as such. A settlement or decision would be if
it will reach is in respect of a dispute concerning an agreement to which this act does not apply. Procedure to resolve dispute subsection 1 and 2. After a dispute over which a consumer may commence an action in the Superior Court of Justice arise, the consumer, the supplier, and any other person involved in the dispute may agree to resolve this dispute using any procedure that is available in law. Procedure to resolve dispute. After a dispute that may result in a class proceeding arises, the consumer, the supplier, and any other person involved in it may agree to resolve the dispute using any procedure that is available in law. So again, I don't have I wanted to put this on the screen, but for some reason, the StreamYard is giving issues on my laptop. So I'm going to play a couple videos here and then come back to that again. So again, also I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. Also, as you come in, don't forget to like up the live, very important. Good morning to you living after 50, wherever you are. It might be morning, it might be afternoon, it might be good night. I'm not sure. But again, thank you for checking into the live stream and for the continuing support towards the channel. Much appreciated. And yes, you too. Blessings to you and stay safe. So hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in today's live stream. Again, I'm going to just be talking and running my videos. Unfortunately, I cannot play what I want to play because the StreamYard is giving some issues. So just follow along with me here. So I'm going to be jumping back and forth here. So this one, which I'm going to explain, is basically quality of service. The supplier is deemed to warrant that the service supply under a consumer agreement are of a reasonable, acceptable quality, which means that obviously if you're contracted to do work, you're supposed to give the person quality work for the money that they're paying. You cannot give them a pushed out job, such and so on. You obviously have to keep in mind, of course, I have to have my permits. So obviously, my job needs to pass permits. So my jobs has to be up to code. Performance of a consumer agreement. If a supplier charges an amount that exceeds the estimate by more than 10%, the consumer may require that the supplier provides the goods and service at the estimated price. If a term of acknowledgement reference in subsection 3 is a term of the agreement, it is several from the agreement and shall not be evidence of the circumstances showing an intent that the deem or implied warranty or condition does not apply. If a consumer agreement includes an estimate, the supplier shall not charge the consumer amount that exceeds the estimate by more than 10%. So again, just follow along with me here. I'm going to run another video here as I do some more
Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pop lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots,
we have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have one floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4-pot lights, we have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here, you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. And you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pot lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have one floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4-pot lights, we have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here, you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their drywall. This room here is a washroom, another washroom. So again, washroom, I have my pot lights, I have my fan, I have two pendant lights coming down, I have my GFI, I have my LED mirror receptacle. In here, there's no toilet receptacle because it doesn't call for one. This is some type of apparently new system. It's the first time I've seen it. You have your 2-gang box. This is a 3-gang box. Excuse me. As you can see, I have my wires staple. Here's another receptacle. There's about 6 spotlights in here. One LED strip light circuit is going to be provided inside of the room, along with 2 switches. As you can see, my 2-gang box is always supported to code. So again, as we wind down to the end of the video, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member, and again, I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Okay, so hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. Very important. Makes my videos go into the YouTube streets. So again, I'm going to get into misleading of deceptive representation. It is an unfair practice for a person to make a false, misleading, or deceptive representation of themselves. Meaning that if you don't hold the normal, the right requirements to do the work, you should not take on a job that you are not qualified to do. Mislead someone else, falsely misleading someone else. And again, these are all bills and regulations, and they're all could be a fine and so on, which I always see in my bulletin, where a lot of people are getting fined for misleading, deceptive representation. This other one is example of false, misleading, or deceptive representation, without limiting the generality of what constitutes a false, misleading, or deceptive representation. The following are included as false, misleading, or deceptive representation. So a representation that the goods or service have sponsorship, approval, performance, characteristics, accessories, use, ingredients, benefits, or qualities they do not have. A representation that the person who is to supply the goods or service has sponsorship, approval, status, affiliation, or connection the person does not have, and that's what I stated. A representation that the goods or service are of a particular standard, quality, grade, style, or model. If they are not, that simply means it's a lot of times not a lot of times, 100% of my times working, I always get quality stuff that's coming from the supplier. I make sure that it is up to CSA standard approval before it's installed. If it's not, and it so happened that I missed it, the ESA inspector will catch that for me, and that's basically why we do need an ESA inspector to overlook our work and make sure that everything that we're doing is up to standard, up to code. Um, Everything is correct. As you all know, if there's no CSA sticker on certain stuff that we install, it could be it will be a fire hazard, and something will happen eventually. A representation that the goods are new or unused if they are not, or are reconditioned or reclaimed, but the reasonable use of goods to enable the person to service, prepare, test, and deliver the goods does not result in the goods being deemed to be used for the purpose of this paragraph. A representation that the goods have been used to an extent that is materially different from the fact. A representation that the goods or service are available for a reason that does not exist. A representation that the goods or service have been supplied in accordance with a previous representation if they have not. A representation that the goods or service or any part of them are available or can be delivered or performed when the person making the representation knows or ought to know they are not available or cannot be delivered or performed. Okay, sorry about that there. So let's get back to this here. A representation that the goods or service or any part of them will be available or can be delivered or performed by a specified time when the person making the representation knows or ought to know they will not be available or cannot be delivered or performed by the specified time. And what that means is a lot of times when you take on a job, a lot of people are going to want a commitment when that job's going to finish. A lot of times there are a lot of stalls. It could be money problems. It could be extras being added. So these are the beauty of the contracts, because you do run into these things where you're going to have a delay of the project. Whether it be, like I said, by extras work being added from the original price, not being able to get the material, so on, so on. It does happen in the field. A representation that a service part replacement or repair is needed or advisable if it is not. A representation that a specific price advantage exists if it does not. A representation that misrepresents the authority of a salesperson, representative, employer, or agent to negotiate the final terms of the agreement. A representation that the transaction involves or does not involve rights, remedies, or obligations if the representation is false, misleading, or deceptive. A representation using exaggeration or ambiguity as to a material fact or failing to state a material fact is such use or failure to deceive or tends to deceive. So again, that was examples of false, misleading, deceptive representation. So I'm going to run a couple more videos here.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. I just want to say thank you for everyone who keeps watching my videos and subscribing and liking. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So what I'm basically doing today is I'm going to be running this cable. This is the feeder cable. So as you can see, I have my wire called off, and I'm basically feeding through the bulkhead. Okay, I have to make it over to where I have my disconnect position. So this is where I have to end up with my cable. I'll be taking this path. Okay, thank you. Hi and welcome to my channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. This is basically my service cable that I'm going to be using to provide power into the house. This cable is 250 kc mil, rated for almost 400 amps. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Today I'm going to be installing a 400 amp disconnect. Okay. As you see, it's a pretty big disconnect, and I'm going to be installing that here. Hello to all my subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Here I'm going to be pre-drilling my holes for my 400 amp meter base. If you see here, I have my 2 slots for my screws here. Okay. So what I basically did is I'm going to pre-drill with my marks, and once I'm ready to install, I should be right on those holes. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. So today I'm just going to be saying that this tool here where my cable came off of, now that I'm finished with it, I'm actually not going to dispose of it, because there's actually a fee of money that I can get back for this actual stool here. Yeah, so believe it or not, it's worth quite a bit of money. So in order for me to get my deposit back, I have to return this stool. And that's it. So please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. As you can see today, I'm running my feeder cables from the meter base, which is not installed yet, which is going to be around here. And as you can see, my cables, they're both the same length, which is actually in the code book. Whenever you're running parallel runs, both cables have to be the exact same length in order for it to work efficiently. So please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So as you can see, my cables are both inside. These two cables here are going to be my feeders from the outside meter base. These two cables are going to be feeding the panel. And you can see these two cables has almost the same length of cable. Also these two cables. And this pipe also will have to go on the outside eventually with another conduit that I have to run for the generator power. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and also let me know what you think in the comment section.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You can also leave a like, comment, and you can also share. Today I've put together a numerous amount of videos, so please stay tuned, enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video. So this tester is actually great for troubleshooting. Works perfect when you're in a jam and when you're trying to finish off a job without any problems. Notice how I use it. Notice how it works. Nice, easy, and simple. And this was the day I was about to change out the panel. As you can see, my panel is at the side of the house. Normally I reach out the job in time before the job starts, before the inspector even arrives. And this right here is basically my 400 amp disconnect that I laid on the floor before I installed it with some prep work, plywood, sheet of plywood, to support the disconnect once I install it. And as you can see, this is the pool house where you will see me finishing this eventually after I'm done the main house. These are lights on the outside with some receptacles, normal stuff that you will put on the outside of the house. Same thing goes for the pool house. Just keep in mind to follow the code rules. And as you can see, there's a hot tub here, which I will have to be providing some stuff to it in the future, along with my pipes that's going to control everything on the outside. So it's a hot tub. You see my ground wire is coming up. Very important when it comes to the hot tubs and the pools, to make sure that you have the grounding, proper size grounding, in order to do the job. So this is the pool, which is not ready as yet, and you will see me doing my work eventually once this is ready to be completed. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in. Don't forget to like up the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
So hello, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's lesson. We are simply going to be installing my receptacles. So again, welcome back to the channel. We're going to simply doing this in receptacles right now. basically what I'm doing is I have a nick wire, so I'm going to be repairing this nick wire with the extension to protect the wires from hitting the box. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, I'm basically going to be tying in my neutral onto the neutral bars. As you can see, these neutrals that I have twisted, they're going to be basically circuits where I do not need an arc fault, and whatever I don't have twisted is going to go onto a special breaker. The reason for the neutral is basically going to power up. You have your power wire, which is this, and you have your neutral wire, which is this. So without this wire, your circuits will not work. So it's very important to have these wires tied into your breakers. Sorry, it's very important to have these wires tied into your neutral bar. That way that your circuit will work properly. Without this and just this, the circuit will never power up. this wire and go into the back of the panel. Let's drill. Do the job. That's the key though. That's how you install a 400 amp panel. So hello, welcome back to my channel. And so today's video, I'm going to be installing the spots here, and it's basically for the generator feed. So because I cannot use this pipe on the outside, I'm simply going to put a junction box, transition this over into something else that I can use on the outside. This is pretty much not allowed on the outside. It's allowed when you're using when you're pouring concrete some sort. So after double checking my code book, so I already knew that. So I'm not going to be using it on the outside. So I'm just going to be prepping my box. And because I don't have my hole saw, what I did was I simply, made a mark here and I'm going to try to cut around it to see if I can open up the hole a little bit more. So this is basically an old school way of using it. I'm just going to cut around. I already pre-made my mark, and I'm simply going to cut around to make sure that I can have enough opening so I can install this connector here.
Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into my videos and my live streams, and also staying up to date with my numerous videos that I put out. In today's video, what we simply have is a roughing, which I would have done. Roughing stage. It's very important for the roughing stage, as it defines how your electrical work will turn out, and also it's very important to secure your wires, whether by means of clips, tie wraps, whatever it may be, and also finishing it off with your boxes and stuff like that. So again, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. As you can see here, this is an elevator. So this home is equipped with an elevator from the bottom of the from the basement all the way up to the top. So as my video winds down, I would like to thank all those who have subscribed to the channel, and all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, make sure it's on all so you can stay up to date to my content, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video.
Okay, so basically what we have here is we're gonna have one electrical panel. If you see, you can see all my wires. They're neatly strapped down. Everything is to code. You have my feeder wire here. This is the mechanical room. You're gonna have furnace switch, light for the inside, switch for the inside. Then you have the electrical panel. Obviously it's covered because the guys were spraying. There's a second light here. You have a 20 amp receptacle. Then inside here we're going to have some connections. This is basically going to be a niche. Okay. We have a washer and dryer. All my wires are neatly strapped. Gonna have some switches. I have a fan, some lights, vapor barrier. Go into this room. I have some plugs on the outside. TV and data. Okay, inside this room we have some pot lights. This is a closet. You can see my wires are neatly strapped. My holes are in the center of the studs. All by code. This here is the washroom. I have pot lights, one fan, shower pot lights, another wire for the niche, and a mirror, receptacle for the toilet, heated floors, switches, Wi-Fi.
Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. Hello, thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So again, please don't forget to like up the video as you come in also. And in today's video what we have is a 400 amp panel being installed, and the steps that I go about to make sure that the 400 amp panel is installed correctly by simply securing the bolts in all four corners, making sure that it's secure and firm, no movement on the wall. And then you have the 2x4, which is simply for the moisture from getting into the back of the panel, to prevent the damage of the components, or to prevent malfunction of the panel. So again, just sit back and enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys in between the videos. So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. And again, what we simply have here is a 400 amp installation of the main panel using 250 kc mil parallel feeds to power up this unit. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the videos. So hello and welcome back to the channel, and as we wind down to the video, this portion of a few more videos that I have lined up, please don't forget to like up the video. Also, you can leave a comment in the comment section. And again, this installation was about a 400 amp installation of the main service coming into the home. And the way I go about the using my code rules in order to do my installation up to code. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. So hello and welcome back to another exciting video that I have lined up. So again, this is a installation of the 400 amp service that's being installed using parallel feeds to power up this unit. 250 kc mil wire, 2 times in order to have my 400 amp service. So again, what you will see me doing in this video is simply trying to install my cable into the panel. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also leave a comment in the comment section, and you can also become a member of the channel also. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between video. So again, what you're going to simply see me doing here is bringing my ladder closer in order to work efficiently and to avoid any injuries. So I simply brought my ladder up a little bit closer. That way I can get right on top of the panel, so I'm not stretching more than 5 feet away. Very important to remember the safeties when you're going about your daily tasks. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video. And again, for all those who hasn't hit the like button, go ahead and like up the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So hello, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video what we have going on here is an installation of a 400 amp main service that's being installed using the 400 amp panel required by the code. So again, also using 250 kc mil wire, twice parallel feeds in order to power up this service. Very important to make sure that you select the proper cable. You also have the proper panel with the proper labeling on the panel door. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and also don't forget to like up the video, and we'll see you guys in between the video. So what we simply have here is a connector that I'm going to be using in order to install my cables properly and up to the code. So hello, welcome back to the channel, and again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the video. Very important to make sure that you hit that like button. And again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So please just sit back and enjoy the video that I have, and again, just enjoy the whole entire video to the end. This
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hey, Mafia Bob. Um, I am Gamer Hurt. How's it going? Thanks for tuning into the channel. Xkio Valdez. Again, thank you. I think you're new to the channel. And Ryan Lohman. Um, thank you guys for leaving a comment in the live stream. So again, I'm not really sure where you guys are from, but obviously not everyone would know about it, but with the correct running of the cable, I can basically turn off from here if I wanted to, turn on from here, and again turn off from that location if I wanted to use, if I wanted to control the lights from 3 locations or 4 locations or 5 locations. Again, it all depends on your power wire and your return wire. Power wire is the wire you feed the switch to power it up, and the return is the wire that basically goes up to the light. And so this area was a lot messier before, and so this area, those are my yeah, a movement TV. So this area here is this is going to have a panel here. This is going to be built in, and so you're not going to see this panel. And those wires are basically my security wires, and the wires on the top are basically for my data um, inside of each bedroom, and these are the wires here are the for the speakers on the main floor and the second floor, and the blue cable is for the cameras. Uh, so again, I'm not the one who did the camera system. I'm quite capable of, but uh, I'm pretty sure if the homeowner knew, he would have given me the that job also. But it would have been too much for me. So sometimes I try not to take on too much that I can't handle. Yeah, definitely. Anything is possible once you you put your mind to it. This is a kids playroom here, right? And again, the reason why I have the two lights is because I don't want to. There's one pot light here, and there's another pot light. The reason why you can see two pot lights alone uh, basically powers up this room and it gives it enough light for people to work in. So I didn't really want to continue with the lighting because as you see, once the guys start to spray, they're going to spray all over the lights. And I simply, I can remove those lights, use them somewhere else as temporary lights. Obviously, I'm not going to use them at the end of the job. Um, and yeah, so I'll show you guys who hasn't seen it before. Also, uh, so yeah, I'm not done here yet. Unfortunately, I'm still I'm going to be here for a while. Look like, and so this area here, I have to, as you can see, I started my pot lights here. Um, so once I get my free up time, I have to build this scaffold out here to finish off my lighting up here. As you can see, it's pretty high, but heights don't really scare me, so I have my fair share of heights, so I'm accustomed to heights. And this here is basically a kitchen. Two speakers on the outside.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. Again, as you come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. Very important. And again, I'm going to run some videos here. The first part of the live stream was basically about the contracts and binding agreements for whoever wants to go back over my video from the beginning. And also don't forget to like up the video on the replay.
The same screw. And again, this is just a video. Please, if you guys need to have any work done, please contact a licensed electrical contractor. Okay, now I will install my breakers. Again, also this is an inspection job, so I'm just waiting for the inspector. This power is not live. There's no power to the panel. The panel is not. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And again, as you guys enter, just hit the don't forget to hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. And in today's video, this panel is a 100 amp panel located on the second floor of the home, and it's going to be the main supply for the second floor, where it's going to be feeding lighting, receptacles, also there's going to be a boiler up there, and it's going to also have hand towels and so on. So again, sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So again, it's just a quick tour. This here is the theater room. Yes, Kubuzi. Most everything here is pot lights. There are a couple center lights upstairs, but everything in the house is pretty. Is pot lights. Yes, these are all speakers on the side here. One, two, three. Um, this is going to be a little small bar kitchen area here. We're going to have a sink here. Eventually, I have to run some type of lighting for the, I believe, for the benches, something like that. Yeah, Movement TV is pretty huge. It's just it's a family, it's a theater room. So now you can see with all the lights on here. Um, it is a pretty big, huge ass house. Yeah, bro, it's pretty huge. Yeah. These are the towels that they're using. I don't want to step on it. I don't think it's fresh, but this is just a back room. In here is going to have the the system for the speakers. And this is the stairs. This is the elevator here. Um, that's going to go all the way up to the second floor. I still have to put a light and a plug inside of this area, which is required by code. So these are basically my lights that's coming down, as you can see. So again, these are all pot lights that I'm using. In the basement, there's no center light. In the basement, it's all pot lights. This area, I still have to put the light in. This is a gym. This area is going to be a gym. So you're not going to see anything right now because it's pretty dark. I still have to do the lighting in here. But yeah, this area is going to have a gym. You can see there are all pot lights in here. This pot lights are QBZ. There's no, I didn't put the lighting in right now because I wasn't working.
So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, this was just a short live. So I will like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. I'd like to thank Living After 50 for checking into the live stream today. And again, I will catch you guys on the next live.